Hi, it's Phil. And first of all, congratulations on your investment. You've made a very, very wise decision. This is without doubt one of the highest PLR products I have ever promoted, having fantastic success with it, as are my students, because it sells itself basically. It's a no-brainer. The course itself is jam-packed with actual valuable content that your members are going to love, but also the whole asset that you have here is already done for you. The sales page is done for you. The members area is done for you. There is a little bit of configuration, and that's what I'm going to walk you through over the series of these videos. Now, the key thing here is please take your time. Don't try and rush ahead. Do it logically, step by step, and together we'll get there. I'll get you through this together. If there's any other thing you need, reach out. Hit me up in the Facebook group. Hit my support email, and I'll do my best to get more videos if needed to get you set up. But please take this step by step, and we'll soon have you set up ready to make money. Now, I do talk with a bit of an accent, and I do talk a little bit fast, so I'm going to try and slow it down for this video series. So if you have to, stop or pause the videos, rewind, and go through them again just to make sure you've captured everything that I'm sharing with you. The key thing here is I want people to make money without having to invest a lot of money. Yes, you've invested $97 to grab this PLR package, and as you'll soon see over the next few days and weeks, it's the best investment that you've made, and we're soon going to 10x your investment very, very quickly, simply by using free methods of promoting this. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So if you're on a limited budget, what you'll do is you'll basically be signing up for the Systemeio free version. This is where things get a little bit tricky. You're only allowed 3 sales funnels. You're only allowed 15 sales funnel steps. But one of the biggies is you're only allowed 1 course. Now, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand that you've just bought, or invested in rather, an 8-course bundle. Each of those would be a course in itself if you decide to sell them. So if you decide to sell each one of these courses individually, then you're going to have 8 courses in your members area, which is not what you want. What you want to do is have one valuable course, which is exactly what you see here, and that is the Systeme PLR package. That means you can sell this whole package, everything you need. You get the full membership area, which is what you see here. You get the full sales funnel, and I'm going to walk you through how to promote it and how to get this set up so you can get making money as fast as possible. So my recommendation is start with, if you're on a bit of budget, start with the first PLR package, the one at the very, very end. Start with that one, which is what I'm going to walk you through now. You'll be able to just use it as a single course, which is what we have here. And you'll be able to get 2,000 contacts built into your autoresponder. Again, I'm going to show you set that up as well. And then once you start making money, reinvest your money and start looking at using the different plans. Basically, if you look, you got startup for 27. Again, you're only allowed 5 courses for that. It's an 8-course bundle. That means you're going to be 3 courses short. Or what you can do is do what I've done. I'm on the 47 a month. I have been for a long time. I used to pay hundreds a month for tools like this. I've got it down to $47 a month, and I'm running a 5-figure a month business now for $47 a month because this tool, Systemeio, is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that as we go through more advanced videos as well. I'm going to show you some more hints and tips for making even more income streams and create more income streams. So the key thing here, when you come up to here, first of all, you're going to receive an email from myself, which will basically say something like this: you've been granted access to the membership area. Click to go to your membership site. When you click that, what will happen is you'll be brought across to this dashboard here. So it's systeme.io/school, and these are all the courses that you've invested in. And this is where you'll find the course. You can see here we've got the Systemeio PLR package, which is this here. You can see this is now on my domain name because I've linked it, and I'm going to show you how you can link it to your domain name as well. Even a free domain name you can link it to. If you have a Systemeio domain name, I'm going to show you link it to that as well. So it's a great way of getting set up without having to invest a lot of money. So when you next log on, once you log into Systemeio, across here you have all the different dashboards. The first one we're going to look at is going to be the course. That's where you're going to find your PLR package course, which is the Resell Rights to the 8 bundle course. This is this here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through step by step, setting up how to use this Resell Systemeio to start getting you $97 sales as fast as we can. So again, please take your time with this. The next few videos are going to be pretty short and sharp, direct to step by step, and I'll also provide a checklist as well to help you get things set up again as fast as possible.